Introducing the Hemoton Cake Transporter Cake Carrier with Handle. This cake carrier is a must-have for any baking enthusiast, whether you're a professional or just love to bake at home. With its numerous features and practical design, it's the perfect solution for transporting your delicious creations. First and foremost, this cake carrier is made of high-quality material, ensuring durability and long-lasting use. It's both safe and practical, giving you peace of mind when storing and transporting your cakes and desserts. One of the standout features of this cake carrier is its sealing buckle. This innovative design keeps your food securely sealed and prevents the cover from coming off during transportation. No more worrying about your cake sliding around or getting damaged in transit. The cake carrier also features a convenient handle and buckle, making it effortless to carry and store your cake safely. Whether you're bringing your creations to a party, a bakery, or enjoying them at home, this cake carrier ensures hassle-free transportation every time. Not only is this cake carrier great for personal use, but it's also suitable for shops, bakeries, tea rooms, and even amusement parks. Its versatility makes it a valuable addition to any food establishment, ensuring your delicious creations remain intact and fresh. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US, so compatibility may vary internationally. If you're purchasing this product for use outside of the US, make sure to check for compatibility or invest in an adapter or converter if necessary. In terms of specifications, the Hemoton Cake Transporter Cake Carrier with Handle is a compact size of 25 by 22 by 12 centimeters, 9.84 by 8.66 x 4.72 inches. It comes in a beautiful pink color that adds a touch of elegance to your cake presentation. The cake carrier is made of PP material, which is known for its durability and resistance to wear and tear. Rest assured, your cakes, cookies, pies, nuts, and desserts will be well protected in this storage case. With this purchase, you'll receive one cake box, giving you a complete and reliable solution for transporting your baked goods. In terms of customer reviews, the Hemoton Cake Transporter Cake Carrier with Handle has received a rating of 3.3 out of 5 stars, based on 7 ratings. While it may not be the top-rated product in its category, it offers a practical and affordable option for your cake transportation needs. So why wait? Elevate your cake transportation game with the Hemoton Cake Transporter Cake Carrier with Handle. Order yours today and enjoy hassle-free transportation and storage of your delicious baked goods.